Chuck Palm for New Media News in Tampa Bay, standing in front of the Apple store here at International Mall. Once again, the revolution that is Apple brings out the iPhone 4 to a crowd that wraps around the outside of the mall, out here at least 12 hours, some of them spending the night, just to be one of the first people in town to get a shot at the iPhone. The iPhone 4, another revolution put out by Apple this year. Will it ever cease? Will it ever begin? That's the real question. We'll ask some people here at the mall. Once again, this is Chuck from New Media News in Tampa Bay. Hey, this is Chuck once again for New Media News in Tampa Bay, standing in front of International Mall with some proud new iPhone users here. Just purchased the iPhone 4. Let me see what these guys have to say about it. So you are?
I'm Nick Montez from nickmontez.com.
I'm Cole Phillips.
And you have a website or an email, or?
I do not.
You do not. You're just part of this guy's entourage. All right. So you're proud new owners of the iPhone 4. What do you think?
Oh, it's amazing.
Breathtaking experience.
Well worth the wait.
Beautiful device.
Speaking of the wait, how long did you wait?
About 12 hours.
Yeah.
12 hours. Where'd you come from?
Bradenton, Florida.
Bradenton, and we're in Tampa, so you guys drove at least an hour to get here, right?
Oh yeah, pretty much.
And spent the night, or how early did you get here?
We got here around 11 or midnight.
My gosh.
Yeah, pretty much we stayed the night.
Yeah.
So that's great. Have you opened it yet? You take a peek at it, all registered, ready to go? Or?
Yeah, ready to go.
Let's take a peek at that. Show us up into the screen there. Awesome. Look at super thin.
Super slick, super sexy.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh, it is. It's great.
So what do you think, man? Are you ready to get online and do some social media apps? And
I'm ready. I've been without a phone for about a month now. So.
Awesome.
Beautiful design. Apple knocked it out. Yeah, for sure.
Apple always does a heck of a job putting stuff like that out, and obviously the hype is well worth it if you guys are enjoying it. So, hey, I want to thank you for your time, man. And once again, what was your website?
nickmontez.com.
Nick Montez. And you were?
Cole Phillips.
Cole, thanks again, guys. Appreciate it. No, that's lunch. Hey, this is Chuck once again, New Media News, standing here with Ruben, and you're with the California Pizza Kitchen.
Yes, I am.
And what's going on here, man?
Well, iPod lucked out here because we got a messed up order, so we're giving away free food.
Wow, free lunch with the iPhone.
People have been here at 1:30 in the morning, my friends, so they deserve a snack, you know?
Very cool, very cool. So what was on the menu today?
Well, earlier on we had some Caesar sandwiches, focaccias, and right now we got some cookies and brownies, you know?
Awesome,
a little
awesome.
Snack, a little tea so they can go to the store, you know what I'm talking about?
Good man, we appreciate it.
No problem,
Thanks
man.
for coming out and
You too.
supporting. We really
Thanks.
appreciate it. Once again, Chuck, New Media News in Tampa.